In this video, we're going to show you how to install your rotary riser attachment for your Muse and Hobby Series laser. The rotary attachment is designed to be used within the riser, which increases the maximum engraving height. First, power off and unplug your unit. Using a 2.5mm hex wrench, remove the 16 hex screws holding the bottom plate to the laser cutter. Place the bottom plate on the bottom of the riser and re-secure the 16 hex screws. Place the laser cutter on top of the riser, fitting it comfortably in the provided slots. The next step will be rotary installation. Place the rotary attachment into your laser's work area. Then find the rotary connector inside the machine under the LCD display. Connect the rotary attachment motor, keeping the same orientation as in the diagram. The final step will be aligning your rotary attachment. Position the back rail of the rotary square against the indentation on the floor of the riser. For some applications, not all of the parts of the rotary are needed and can be simply removed. Using thumb screws, you can slide and adjust the rotary attachment. Make sure that the object on the rotary is level. And finally, focus the laser head onto the application, and from there, you can start your job. And there you have it. For more videos pertaining to the rotary device, click on this link above. Also visit us at fslaser.com.